What's up guys, and welcome to the unboxing of the iPhone 13. I know I'm late into the party, but finally we have got the iPhone 13 in blue color and we are going to do quick unboxing of this little boy. Okay, so this is actually my favorite color and let's see how it's gonna be looking in real life. So first of all, let me just remove the stickers.
This life like kryptonite. And if you keep me close, every minute in this hourglass you hold.
So I have removed the stickers and let me just unbox this. Well, you can see on the top of the box we have got the iPhone 13 and look at this color, it's looking more attractive than you think, and I think this is going to be the most attractive and most selling color in the iPhone 13. Now let me just remove the sticker from the front, and while the phone is started, let's talk about the accessories that we get with the iPhone 13. So on the iPhone 13 we have got this cable along with SIM injector, some paperwork and sticker from the Apple. Now there is nothing in the box. Let me set up the phone and we'll be right back. Alright, so the phone has started up and you can see the first thing we are going to notice is the display of a phone. So it is very smooth if I compare it to the iPhone 12. So the Apple has also improved their display quality in the iPhone 13 series.